Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making Snickerdoodle cookies. So we're going to start by sifting in 330 grams or 2 3/4 cups of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Once that's all sifted, we're going to give this a quick whisk. In a separate bowl, we're going to cream together 226 grams or 1 cup of butter, 100 grams or half a cup of granulated sugar, and 150 grams or 3/4 cups of brown sugar. Once that is done, we're going to scrape down the sides of the bowl just to make sure the butter and sugar are fully incorporated. And now we're going to add in 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, and also 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Once that's all mixed in, we're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And now we're going to roll this dough into cinnamon sugar, and to make the cinnamon sugar, all you need is 50 grams or half a cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. So now take a bit of the dough, make it into a ball into your hand, and then roll it into the cinnamon, making sure that you fully coat it. And now we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes, or until golden brown. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, comment and share.